Hey guys, how you doing? Stu is back. Welcome back. I have this 2014 Ford Transit Connect Titanium. Alright, with a 2.5 liter engine. By the way, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick in this vehicle. Also, after I do the oil change, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this vehicle also. Alright, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. And hey! Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video how to do the oil change in this vehicle. And now we're gonna do the oil life reset. What we're gonna do is turn the key to the on position. You're gonna see that message, oil change required. You don't have to wait, you just press OK. You see that? And all we're gonna do is step on the brake pedal and the gas pedal at the same time. You're gonna see that message. Keep holding the brake pedal and the gas pedal at the same time. Keep holding. It's gonna take a while, per every 10 seconds. Service oil reset complete. Now you can let it go. Let it go. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2014 Ford Transit Connect Titanium. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. And take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Was a stool. Burum. Hey. Ooh.